Additional one member of the council of Israel. Felipe Karnami Ali as additional member of the council of Israel.
Ini sikado mo yun. Okay. As yours truly nominated as one member of Council of Elders was voted and approved and started. Thank you. Now, for the national officer to be assisted by the state member.
After Kumele, the table is open for nomination for the Prime Minister. National officers here. Any nomination for the Prime Minister? Come on.
Mr. Chairman.
Senior Deputy Prime Minister.
Mr. Chairman, since you unanimously elected me as your Prime Minister, can I have a 5 minutes conference with the people, important people whom I can call and include sa set of officers din sa akong cabinet and together with the Council of Elders. Kay ali mo na siya, wala pa problema kasi kinsay ma-elect under my office, no, sa taas, pero it would be better just like what happened before na the Prime Minister will be given the choice, the right to choose his members sa ubos sa kabinet pa para doon na siya ay trust and confidence na makuha nato. That is kung okay lang sa inyo. Hindi, election on good nato. Para I was thinking man nga gina-distribute na ko ang officers nato nga makatagta. Dili mag-concentrate sa salang kalugar. Kay DGFI man ta. Para tanan may involved. Para way makaingon nga kamura diri, kamera diri, ini siya, kamera diri, ini siya. Ako rin ulit mas communication kay hawag kay na sila na, kay modern naman ta karon. Modern na, pwede ba nato ni Guano? That is my request, Mr. Chairman.
5 minutes.
Hindi, ako lang meeting sa kadyo kung pwede.
Meeting pa. Next time na, pwede man. Meeting mo, break time sa iyo. Time, kapi time. Break time. Break time.
Good, 5 minutes break, 5 minutes break.
Yes.
5 minutes break. Dalawang pato. Basta mo, timplang kape, tigulan ha.